vocab, we shine when we use proper grammar. So how do we write complete sentences? We need a subject and a verb or a predicate. Your sentence needs to express a complete thought, otherwise it's a fragment, an incomplete thought. Let's say we're writing about fun in the sun, yet our sentence is missing a subject. Like this:
went to the beach.
no subject, only a verb, you see. We don't know who or what went to the beach, getting tan in the sand and snacking on a peach. But what if the sentence fragment is missing a verb?
My pet bird.
That's incomplete, you heard? We need to fix that sentence. What about the bird? Did it fly the coop and land on the stoop? What's the word?
Sentence fragment, it's just a piece of a sentence. How can I fix it? I'm missing my subject. Sentence fragment, it's just a piece of a sentence. How can I fix it? I'm missing my subject.
Yeah.